Okay, looking at part B here, I'm noticing that I have a minus 3n and a minus 3n. So my coefficients are exactly the same, which means I need to subtract my two equations in order to eliminate the n variable. So I'm taking equation 1 and I'm subtracting equation number 2 from here. So 2m's, take away 5m's would be negative 3m. And then I have negative 3n, take away a negative 3n would be plus 3n, so I end up with no n's left. And then we have 12, take away 21, and 12, take away 21 is equal to negative 9. And then at this point, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3 to get my m by itself, and we end up with m being equal to positive 3. And then we sub m equals positive 3 into, and it doesn't matter which equation I choose, I'm going to choose equation 1 because my numbers look smaller there. I'm going to have 2 times my m, which is a 3, subtract 3n equals 12, and then I have 6, take away 3n equals 12, subtract 6 from both sides. We're going to have negative 3n, remember the sign comes down with it. That was supposed to be an arrow, sign comes down with it. And then 12 take away 6 would be 6. Divide both sides by that negative 3 because it's multiplying the n, and we get n is equal to negative 2. Now my solution, if it's not x, y, we write them in alphabetical order. The solution is, and then m comes before n in the alphabet, we should have 3, negative 2 as our solution. Okay, the second one, I'm noticing that well, part C, I'm noticing that I have a positive 9a and a positive 9a here. They're the same, so again, I'm going to subtract both equation 1. There we go. I'm going to subtract equation 2 from equation number 1. I'm a little too close to the top of my page. So, assuming the first one is a 1, we're taking away equation number 2 from it. I'm going to subtract. 9a, take away 9a, we end up with no a's left anymore. We've got minus 3b, take away 2b, take away a positive, that would be a negative 5b here. And I'm just going to erase that x because I don't want it to look like an x. It's actually like it was gone. It was what my intention was there. And I've got a b here. And then negative 1, take away 4 would be negative 5. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. And when I divide both sides by negative 5, I end up with b being equal to positive 1. And then we're going to sub that into b equals 1 into, I'm not so sure this stylus is all that much better, into equation, I'm going to go with equation number 2, just because I like positive numbers. I'm going to have 9a plus 2 times 1 times the b equals 4. 9a plus 2 equals 4. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. Keep it balanced. I get 9a is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 9. A is equal to 2 ninths. And then I'm going to take that 2 ninths and I'm going to sub that in for a. Oh, sorry, I don't need to sub that in for a. I'm already done. Whoops, dang it. There we go. Get the right tool here. Therefore, the solution is, in alphabetical order, 2 ninths, comma 1. Now, this last example here, I don't know if it's on your sheet or not, but if it is, do you notice that neither the C's nor the D's have the same or opposite coefficients? This is what the next lesson is going to focus on. So don't bother if that one's on here, don't bother with that one for now. We're going to talk about that in a future lesson.